we'll see multiplication of two numbers with base 10, and the deviation will be negative as well as positive, that is negative for one number and positive for another number. Now we have already seen examples where the deviation for both the numbers were negative and both the numbers were positive. So now we'll see when one number has a positive deviation and one has a negative deviation. So we'll start with base 10. So let's take a simple example first where we have 12 multiplied by 9. Now in this case, the deviation for 12 is plus 2 and the deviation of 9 is 1. There is minus 1, so bar 1. So here we have a positive as well as negative deviation. So now what we do is 2 multiplied by minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, that is we get 2 bar, and 12 minus 1 or 9 plus 2. Both of this will give you the answer 11. Now initially we had a positive number over here, but now we are having a negative number in this. Now what we have to do is the base is 10, so do 10 minus 2. We take one 10 from here and do 10 minus 2, or you can say 10's complement, and what we get is 8 over here. Okay, and in this number we have to subtract 1. So here we will get 11 minus 1 is 10. So your final answer is going to be 108. Okay, so that is how you work out with your negative deviation and positive deviation together, because your answer comes in minus 2. So we have to take one base number from here, subtract it, and subtract 1 from this particular number. So now let's take the base as 100 and check out one more example. Now let's take 103 multiplied by 95. So in this case one number will be near the base but greater than base, and one number will be near to the base but less than the base. So here the deviation is positive, that is plus 3, and here the deviation is minus, so we have 5 bar. Now what we do is 3 into minus 5 is 15, and 103 minus 5 or 95 plus 3, both of them will give you 8. Now here again we are getting a negative number. So what we do is the base is 100, so we do 100 minus 15, so we get 85, and from here we subtract 1, so we get 97 over here. So the answer for this is 9785. Okay, now we'll see one more example for base 1000. Now let's take an example 10, let's say 20 multiplied by 995. Okay, so here the deviation is positive and here the deviation is negative. Now multiply these two. So what we get is 100, and here 1020 minus 5 or 995 plus 20, we will get 1015. So your base is 1000, 3 digits we have got. Again same thing, 1000 minus 100 we will do, so we get 900 over here, and here we will subtract 1, so here we will get 1014. So the final answer is 1014900. Now we'll see one more example with 10,000. One 1030 multiplied by, let's say we have 9980. Now this is positive deviation, then you have negative deviation by 20 over here. Okay, here 30 into 20 you get 600 but here you have 10,000, so you need 4 digits over here, so we give 0 over here. Okay, now bar 0 bar does not indicate anything, so we will just consider this 600 only. Okay, now this minus this, or 9980 plus 30, what you will get is 10010. Okay, now same way, this 10,000 minus, you will do 600, so what you will get is 9400, and here you will do minus 1, so it will be 10009. Okay, so the final answer is going to be 100099400.